Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're into Huck's World, and today I got one of the baddest watch faces in the Gear Manager store that you want to download today. Now this watch face is free for the taking. It's a limited time offer. I'm going to give you the rundown on the info for that and let you know about opportunities to get more free watch faces from this developer. Just stay tuned and let's go ahead and review this watch face real quick. Now, first of all, I like the combination of colors, orange, the Lumin, the black. All of these colors go together, they stand out. This watch face has a elegant luxury look to it. It looks just as good in the AOD mode, pretty much almost like you have the watch face on. It's just dimmed down. I'm telling you, this is a watch face that you want to have in your archives. Now, this watch face I thought deserved a solo review because of its awesomeness and because it is definitely off the chart. Now, Trinity is available through the 23rd, from the 23rd through August 6th. We missed out on Neo. That was from July 9th through July 23rd. Now, the next one is going to be Morpheus. That's going to be available. And if you want me to review it, just hit me in the comment section down below. I will review it and let you know, or at least remind you. So Morpheus is going to be from August 6th through August 20th. They got Anderson coming up. That's going to be from August 20th to September 3rd, and then you got the Matrix releasing on September 4th. All right, so be aware is to be alive. I will keep you posted. Let me know if you want me to review these watch faces, and if so, I will do. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, could you please hit the like button on the way out? And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care, and I'll see you soon.